I'm a professional photographer, and today I'll be playing Pokemon Snap. Grew up playing Pokemon, and now that they've come out with Pokemon Snap, the newest version, I thought, as a photographer, I do this as my job. I would love to play this game for fun and see how I go taking pictures of these Pokemon. So I hope they have modeling experience because they're about to update their portfolios. So let's go. Let's get into this. Please don't turn off the power, but also if the photo's not good, I just might. I can't make any promises here. Are you ready to start? Absolutely. What's the weather looking like though? We gotta know what the lighting situation is before we jump into this. I'm already looking at places I can shoot. Like, maybe I'll have somebody right there. I'm not even paying attention to the game. Ooh, that could be a cute photo spot. Like, I'll have them kind of like on the roof. Okay, he's cute. Is he one of the models? Ooh, Pikachu's I'm definitely gonna have him model for me. I'm looking cute in this game. Ooh, who's that? Okay. Okay, are they my assistants? Are you holding a reflector? He's tall. He could hold the reflector for me. Bounce back some of that light. Hi there, I'm glad you made it. Okay, do I need a permit to shoot here? Whenever I hear anything that sounds professional, I'm like, security's gonna come and approach me right now. We're getting kicked out. Sorry, I don't have a permit. That's all I gotta tell you. I'm not just here to goof off, Professor. I'm your research assistant. You're about to be my photography assistant. Now, without further ado, here's your research camera. Ooh, okay, that looks to me like a 1.2. Is that an L series lens? I don't think it's interchangeable. Can we switch those out? That's right, it's more than just a camera. It lets you keep in touch and analyze data on the fly. Okay, so it's like a walkie-talkie too. Yep. It'll also serve as a sort of ID badge for you here, so take good care of it. Don't you worry. I treat my camera better than I treat myself. Which is kind of sad to say out loud. Ooh, we got a good camera strap too. Okay. Oh, that's me. Oh, that's me. I'm like, who is that holding my camera?
What do you think?
Awesome, right? Yeah. Amazing. Professor invented it. Okay, is it a Nikon? Sony? Is it a Sony? Oh, okay, here's my chance. Try getting a shot of that Pokemon. You can press A to take a photo. Okay, now, sweetie, the light is real. It's direct sun. Can we zoom in? Can you fly a little closer here? Girl, just let me take the pic. Where is she? She left. Oh, Pikachu. Okay, sweetie, can you... Yeah, stay right there between the flowers. Did you see that shape up here around Pikachu? Yes, girl, I've been shooting for 10 years. I don't need a tutorial. I make the tutorials. Wow, amazing. That depth of field. Oh, for sure. You want your subject's whole body smack dab in the middle of the frame? I don't know if I could do that. I can't make any promises, sis. I don't know. Would you mind choosing one shot of each Pokemon you photographed? Okay, so he's about to critique me right here. Like, I just started these pictures. I'll rate them using my special scoring system. Isn't that too soon? I just started, though. Can I maybe go out and do a couple of backlit photos? Because you didn't really set the shot up that nice for me, I'll tell you. It's really harsh light out there. I don't think it's fair. So we have to pick the photo that we want him to like roast me for. Okay. This one's cute. You know, he's given a little bit and he needed to lift his chin up just a little bit more. We see really more of the ground than we do of Pikachu. He kind of looks like a little blobby there, like no hate or anything. I love Pikachu, but you know, you didn't bring out your arms. I feel like we didn't get a chance to really set this shot up. Okay, I guess we'll choose this one. Vivillon folder. Okay, so you mean Butterfree? Who are these Pokemon? This is not some of my best work, but let me explain. This Pokemon didn't really give me a chance. She's like flying around. You know, it's hard. She's literally flying in the direct sun. It's harsh light outside. It wasn't my fault. I didn't really get a chance. Okay, let's pick this one. I guess the only one that I took. Okay, let's get roasted by him. Who knows? He might like them. He might think it's artistic. Oh, he's grading the pose too? Okay. Size, direction, placement. Okay, this is getting a little intense. I feel personally attacked right now. He's like, simple enough, right? So they want the subjects closer. So you want portraits. So you're more of a portrait guy. You love the portraits. Luckily for you, I did not get that. You get bonus points if other Pokemon are in the photo with your subject. Okay, I could do that. You got some pretzels or Chex Mix we can throw out there. Let me boil it down. Remember this and you'll do fine. Get the Pokemon nice and big in the center of the frame. Now listen, can we maybe talk about that? Because I don't know how much I like that, putting everything in the center of the frame. I'm not gonna do that. Wow. Amazing. Hard to believe you're a beginner. Only been doing this for 10 years. I mean, I wasn't sure at first when he's telling me to put the subject in the middle of the frame, but we're cool. I like him. He's very reasonable man. Very reasonable. Wow, I get a portfolio. Is this using Squarespace? Use my code in the description. Okay, let's see. This one, he's gonna love this one. Really showing off the wing, her small head. Remember, getting the whole Pokemon in the frame is key to a good size score. Okay, but in my defense, she flew away when she saw me taking the picture. She did it on purpose, which is a little bit messed up, I'm just saying. She could have waited. The shutter speed, I had a high shutter speed. We could have done it, but she flew away. Okay, we're on our way to photograph more Pokemon. Wow, I get a car? Okay, I'm not paying the insurance on this, just so you know. So if this is like I gotta register it and go to the DMV, all that stuff, I'd rather just walk.
Jeez.
I can't get over it. They call this place the lentil region. Do you know there's lentil soup? I just can't. Who came up with this? Fair enough. Let's get you moving. Okay. Let's get out of here. I'm putting my camera with the one lens, which is a zoom lens, which I thought was going to be like a prime, but it's not. Oh, it's like a whole spaceship kind of thing. I'm going by myself? Who's going to hold the reflector? Okay. Do I get like a tripod or something? Okay, oh, beautiful. Have you modeled before? How much experience do you have? Wow. Wow, he's looking you dead in the eyes. Wow, okay. I'm gonna add these to your portfolio.